Top 3 apps that you can use to earn USDT without any investment. Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you 3 apps that you can use to earn USDT without any investment. And you can definitely cash out this app to your wallet and exchange it for cash by just doing little tax. The number 3 app, I consider it very important, very essential, and very necessary. So stay to the end of this video so that you're not going to miss it. Hey guys, I'll be leaving the link for you to sign up on this app in the description or the comment section. So do check it after watching the video. Number 1 app is called M-Pesa. M-Pesa is an app that enables you to play games, enables you to do survey, enables you to refer friends, and then they convert this kind of tax result for you to have it as point. And then this point can be converted to recharge card. It can also be converted to USDT. You can make withdrawals ASAP. As you can see, these are ways you can definitely cash out. The first one, like I said, is what redeem through recharge card, right? By topping up your phone. And then the next one is by Binance, which is USDT. You can withdraw as little as 10 cents. So even though it's 10 cents you have, you can place withdraw, and you can also withdraw up to like $5 and make maximum profit. All right. So do ahead and test it. As you can see, this is account history of referral bonus that I've gotten. That is points that I've made. And then this one also is the withdrawal I've made. So you can see these are withdrawal I've made from this particular website. So app 1 is confirmed, tested, and trust. So the next one on my list is called N11. Now, N11 enables you to earn by playing game, taking surveys, and so on, getting little tax, and then to work all together throughout the app, and then you can really make good profit from this particular app. Now, you can place your withdrawal as little as $3. You can withdraw by the use of PayPal. Also, you can withdraw with the use of USDT, which is Binance USDT. This is very important because it is easy and it is acceptable by everyone in the world. All right, anywhere you are, in as much as you can install this app, you can do it. And then the final one on my list, which I consider as very important and very necessary, is called Novella. Novella is an app that enables you to read novel. Hey guys, remember, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss any updates coming up in the future. And guys, the link for you to sign up in all this app is on the comment section. To check it out. Now, Novella enables you to go through novels. You just read novels. As you're reading novels, you get paid. Individually, you get paid. So these are novels written by authors like you and I, people that are good in writing. Now, how do you redeem? When you go to the redeem button, if you click on it, you will see that you have different method of withdrawal. The first method you have there is to top up phone. That is like a recharge card, right? So you can call your friends. Then the second method, as you can see there, is the USDT. All right. Now, this USDT, you can send it to whatever crypto wallet you have ASAP, and it will have it delivered. And the minimum is what, $30. That is why I consider this app, because it educates you. And also, you can withdraw by PayPal. With minimum cash out there is $5. So when you make money from these apps, you will definitely place a withdrawal. I have tested this app, that's why I brought it out for you guys to go ahead and test it and make money even while you study or even while you play games. So guys, if you love this content, do subscribe to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up so that more people will see it and enjoy it and definitely make money from it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye bye.